Good morning. Look what showed up. The mini excavator is here. We're going to dig out the side of the garage today, maybe tomorrow, depending on how long it takes us to do it. I've never drove or operated one of these, so it could take us 3 days. I hope not. Hopefully it's pretty easy going. Played around with it yesterday a little bit, dug a trench or two. I'm going to pull out these stumps, or attempt to dig them out, and then we'll move on to the actual project. I think I'm just going to take the chainsaw and cut it. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Just cut it off flush. Do the same thing with this one. Maybe it'll pull that one out, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's where we're at. I'll show you what we've done. It takes a little bit to get used to the excavator. It's really touchy. I've never drove one before or operated one before, so you know, beginner stuff. But if I can do it, anybody can do it. And if you're thinking about getting an excavator, do it. It's simple. It's not too hard. But this is where we're at. I got to get in there and clean it up a little bit. Get the right slope for my drain. And should be good, but check it out. It's kind of hard to see there. Come over here on this other side so you can maybe see better. And it's about 6 foot down. Yep. Exposed the brick all right. And then of course the mess. There is a mess. Well, today's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Good morning, guys. This is like day 3 or 4. I've done some work out here off camera because I was kind of in a hurry, and I just wanted to make sure I got done everything I wanted to get done with the excavator while I had it. I have 2 more days left. It's been sprinkling this morning, so I'm not sure if this is going to be possible. But we had some drainage issues out here out back where the water was coming up to the house, and with lowering the floor over here we had to dig down a little bit. So what I'm trying to do, or my plan anyways, is to have a retaining wall back here and kind of like a little drainage ditch that we'll put rock in eventually. But we want the house and the dirt to kind of slope down just to get it away from the house. It's a muddy mess right now, but it's coming along. You see how much I have to dig down there, right here in this area. But we'll see how it goes. I might have to rent the equipment out for another day. I'm hoping not, but we got the tractor warming up. I gotta move some dirt. We're gonna test it out and see how it works with it being a little bit wet. It didn't rain too much, but it's all exposed dirt, so we'll see how it goes. Put you guys on time lapse. So it seems to be working pretty good. I don't care which way the water flows. I don't care if it goes out that way or goes out that way. We'll dig a little bit out that way so it drains out. It's just a little ditch, but it's working. It's muddy, and I mean, obviously this isn't final. We'll come in here after it stops being so muddy, and we just want to get the major stuff done with the excavator while we can. But I have a pile to move, so alright guys, so the excavator goes back today, but we did get all the big stuff done. This isn't the finished grade, obviously, but we do have the tractor to help us out with that. So next step is getting inside the garage there and making some kind of contraption to use the bottle jacks to push the block wall back, get it plumbed up, and then from there we'll put some rebar in there and put some concrete in there, and hopefully that'll be sufficient enough to keep those walls from wanting to fold back in. We are putting a French drain down there with pipe like this. Let me show you. With pipe like this, it's perforated, so it's got little holes in it, and we'll put a little bit of gravel down at the bottom just to make it a bed, and then we'll put that pipe in there and fill it up with gravel. I'm not sure if I want to fill up the whole thing with gravel until about, I don't know, 8 inches or so, and then do the backfill with fill dirt. If any of you guys have done this before, I would like to hear your thoughts on it. But yeah, still got a lot of work to do. Appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up and follow us through our journey.